Hey my beautiful friends, I am so excited for today's video. Today I am unboxing my new waist beads. So just to quickly get into it, I use the Sacred Hose waist beads. Like, she's the only person that I get my waist beads from. This one is elastic, but all of my newer ones are not. And this one came with like the claw clasp, but this one I broke, so I had to just tie it on me, and it just stays on me for most of the time. But the new ones are the twist clasp. I was like, what is that word? So literally have not seen them. I'm trying to like kind of rush because baby is sleeping, and I want to like kind of get this before he's like cranky and awake. So like literally I am opening my box right now. I have been dying to open them, but if you saw my like catch up with me video, I kind of explained that I wanted to like start working out again and Guess what? I've worked out maybe like twice since I made that video. And then I just thought to myself, like come on, like it is what it is. I couldn't even think of the words. Oh, I'm so excited. So I got a lot this time. I don't even remember all of the different things like that I got, but that's why this is so fun, because it's been a minute. I'm not gonna lie, it's been a minute. So she gave me a card and said, thank you so much, Taylor. I don't know if this is like a share with everybody card or this is like a, you know, for me card. She's so cute, by the way. She like loves sunflowers and like sunflower everything. I just love that. There's a care card telling us how to take care of them. Just the Sacred Hoe waist beads, like information cards, a thank you card. Cool. This is explaining the colors. I don't know that I'm going to necessarily get into this and read this word for word because it's a little wordy, but I want to talk to you about this, just to anybody who did not see my last video. What are waist beads? Like, and I'm gonna read this off of this because it's my first time reading it with you guys anyways. Waist beads are a traditional West African accessory that consists of small glass beads on a string or a wire worn around the waist or the hips. It's up to you where you want it to fit you. You know, you can have them up here, you can have them down low, you know, that is kind of an up to you type of thing. Waist beads are commonly known as a way to gauge weight changes, but also associated with womanhood, maturity, and growth. That's why I got mine the first time around, because I was in the process of growing a baby and I wanted to be like mindful, connected with my fertility and that process. And it says, who can wear waist beads? Sacred Hoe waist beads are an inclusive brand to all identities, shapes, and sizes. Some people think that only Black women can wear them or African descent, but they're jewelry at the end of the day. And like, she feels like anybody can wear waist beads. I feel like anybody can wear waist beads. You know, I'm not gonna keep going because, you know, we don't got all day here, and I'm so excited to I'm so excited to get into my set. So this is cleansing and intentions. The reason that I choose her personally is because she always uses clean hands and good intentions when making the waist beads. And that is something that's important because a lot of people will make waist beads and like are not truly spiritual type of people. So like, you know, I could be in a bad mood making my waist beads and then pass on my bad vibes to you. You know what I'm saying? Like that type of thing. Ways to cleanse. You can set out under a full moon, set next to your favorite crystal, or hold them during meditation, because your mind is powerful. Everything that you say with your mind can be done. Tie on waist beads, instructions, blah, blah, blah. I did not get tie on waist beads. Look how cute this is. Oh my gosh, do you see this? Look at all the cute little yellow packing, whatever you call this. And the little sunflowers. I told you she's so into sunflowers. Okay, I'm overwhelmed. I don't know where to start, but okay, this is, oh, so I actually won't know which one is for what. She did text me them. So maybe I will write it on the screen, but I don't know which one is which right now, to be honest. So, okay, this is so beautiful. I'm gonna bring you nice and close. Look at this, look at the colors, yellow, this teal, the white. I don't know if I want to take these ones off because these are like my everyday, all day ones that just kind of stay on me because like I said, I broke the clasp. so they're just tied on me. But nah, we'll just do this. So yes. Okay, so since these are not stretchy, okay, hold on now. Okay, I thought I wasn't gonna be able to open this really fast. So since these are not tie on, I was a little nervous, like, will they fit me? But it's time to find out. So this charm says family, I love that. And there's just like a lotus, an eye. Okay, gotta put the clasp in the front. Let's see how this goes. Yes, I probably did not ever need to wait to try this on, because like, it's just not, okay. I'm a little sweaty, so it's not super easy to slide them around, but I got it. We got it. So this is my older one. I'll pull that a little bit down just so we can see the new one flourish and be beautiful. Do you think that I should just keep adding them, or should I take it off every time? And think, because they are like the screw clasp, I'm just gonna keep going instead of taking them off one by one. Because you'll get an up close look at them as I open them. Ooh, I'm so excited. Look at these are so pretty. So we've got some purple, some like purple blue, and yeah, and some white. Okay, this one's not gonna fit me right now. And that's okay, it's not her fault. That's my, is it? I don't know if I wanna force it, I'm a little scared. No, it definitely does. Like, I was big time tripping just a second ago. It is tighter than the other one though. So I don't think I'm able to like spin it around so much, because like I said, I'm sweaty right now, I'm not gonna lie. But you can see it, and this one is definitely tighter, but I'm feeling it. I don't know how you feel, guys, but I'm feeling it. So that's number 2. Trying to make sure I don't bust out though when I bend down, I'm kidding. Oh, this is the one that she threw in just because she knew I was a Cancer. So I didn't order this one. Oh, look, listen. I love that. Okay, so it says Cancer energy. Yeah, come give me a huggy, baby. Oh, I love you. I love you so much. Go ahead and play, okay? I love you so much. Oh, you want to be with me? Yeah. You can be with me. So you might have to back up because you're a little short, and I have the camera so you can see me up here. Hi. Like cutie. Okay, so anyways, this says make a wish, success. You can play with that. This is like the Cancer symbol sign. Here's a key and a feather. So she did ask me, like, do I want charms? Because if you didn't watch my other video where I had this, she makes these. Oh no! Get out the water! Get out the water! My clasp came off. Oh my gosh, I'm so sad. Okay, so I can't put this one on, but I will fix this because look, it's fixable. It's just that this right here, it came off of that loop. So I can't put this one on right now. My big Cancer energy. Oh my heavens. Okay, no, I broke it. It broke. Yeah, I'm sad. But I'm gonna talk to her. Her name is Leisha. I'll talk to her and see what we can do. Because your girl is not, first of all, that's never happened. This literally never happened before. I don't want you to think that like it's not a quality product, because that's what I was just gonna say. She makes everything custom, literally how you want it. So like you can see my beads and be like, oh, I want those, and she'll be like, nah, I'll give you a set that is close to it, but everything is. Bees make honey with flowers. Bees make honey with flowers. They do, and these are sunflowers, but they're fake. They're pretend sunflowers. So I'm so nervous. So I'm taking this one off because it's a little snug and I don't want to pop them off. I'm so sad that just happened. Oh my goodness. What is these? That's just for packaging. Oh, that broke my heart a little bit. So okay, let's move on to the next one before I clean up that mess. These are so beautiful. Look at this color. Like this teal and yellow and green. I'm here for it. I'm so here for it.
But it's spooky.
That one broke. I have a lot more, which is good. It's very good that I have a lot more because... No, baby, leave it. Leave it, because if we pick it up, more beads will fall off. Leave it, please. So, like the other one, I'm just nervous now. I'm gonna be extra careful because, you know, my measurements are not exactly what they were when I ordered them. So I wanna make sure that I'm not doing no twisties anymore. It ain't happening. So take a look at this one. I'll do a little spin. I'll come a little closer or whatever. I hope you can still see them. But yeah, they're so pretty. I love them. This one is not like super snug like the last one. So I think I'll keep it on, but I'm just so nervous. Okay, you ready for this though? This is like such a nice turquoise. We have a lotus charm, 2 lotus charms, a flower. This is super pretty. Okay. Let's go backwards. What am I doing? Okay, this one is like the other one is a little too snug for me. I'm not gonna force it. I am not gonna pop anymore. These are so beautiful. I need this in my life. So I'm sorry. Like, I really thought that I thought that maybe some wouldn't fit me. Like, they maybe not fit me, but I was kind of hoping that they really would. Because I'm only like a few inches off of what I was before, but it is what... I'm really upset. So, okay. It's time for me to take these off. I learned my lesson. I am too big for my waist beads, and I should have waited longer, and I should have exercised before I put them on, and I just popped another one, and I will not be putting on anymore, but I will be showing them to you because I want to show you my like real reaction of first seeing them. I feel terrible right now, but I'm gonna show you guys because it is what it is. Can't do anything about it. I might cry about this later though. So look at these. I'm sorry, my energy is gonna be like different because I'm really sad. These are really pretty. Oh, I'm so sad. I'm so sad. I'm not even like embarrassed because like it is what it is. I'm sorry to curse. I'm absolutely devastated though. Cause like I can't fix this. Maybe I should have just got the stretchy ones. I've never popped no stretchy ones. Well, I'm not gonna say one is better than the other, but clearly one grows with your belly a little bit more. The thing is, this is why I didn't want to do stretchy, because my last sets were stretchy. Sometimes, like I said, they get caught in my pants, like, you know, when going to the bathroom. It's never been an issue though, because they just slide down, slide right back up. But, you know, over time, the elastic ones do stretch out, because like, look, you see, I have a lot of like dead space because they stretch out over time. It's what elastic does. So I wanted to try this out, but I'm literally, as my British friend would say, I'm literally gutted right now. I am so upset, but I'm trying to push through because like I can't blame anybody but myself, and I fucking knew it. I fucking knew to take these beautiful bitches off. Like, what the fuck? I'm so pissed off with myself. Okay, you see how pretty these are though? Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. I can't even be upset because look how pretty these are. I cannot wait to be able to wear these. I don't even know if, like, I'm trying to tell myself, like, should I wait to post this video till like someday that I can fit them? But probably not. Maybe I'll just make 2 videos out of this situation. I am so upset, but there's more to come. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay. Look how pretty these are. I really love them. Like, so far, there is not a single one that I've seen that I don't love. I have seen some pictures of them. I don't know if I've seen every single one. I just don't remember. But like I don't really remember anyways. So like, even though I've seen them, you know, it's different to hold them in real life and everything like that. And I just like, still in the back of my head, like, what is wrong with you? What is wrong with you, Tay? Why would you not take them off? These are like brand new, beautiful, handcrafted, custom waist beads, and you just broke 2 of them. Could have just broke 1, but I broke 2. Look how pretty these are. So purple and like a little bit of this blue-green color and white. I love the whites. They're so pretty. I'm not gonna lie, I really love that black pair because it's so unique, because I already have like ones with white on them. I really loved them. I really love them all. I wish I could put them on and you could see me and you could think that I'm looking great. Oh, I'm devastated. Hopefully maybe this is funny to somebody and they can laugh at my pain. I think it should be okay though, like, right? Like, I think that maybe I can like mail them back. I don't know. Oh, baby's waking up, so I'm about to push into overdrive. You see these green and pink. Oh, I love this color of green. I freaking love this, especially with the pink. Ooh, look at these. Gold and black. This is gonna be so beautiful on me. Look at that on my skin tone. Like, oh, like literally with an outfit like this. Oh, I love it. I love it. Oh, it's a vibe. It would be a vibe if I could fit it, but nah. Like, I'm really trying to like stay positive, for real, and just like, I don't know, like, you know, I'm gonna use this as motivation to lose weight and fit into my waist beads, and I'm never gonna put another one on until I am confidently fitting them nice and like dead ass, like here. Like, you know how I had to put them on like here? Like, nah, like I'm gonna make sure they can fit me like here, because I am not playing no games. I cannot believe I just did that to myself. This cleanup is gonna be, it's just gonna be, ugh. I hope this video isn't terrible to you, because this is just real life. Like, I wanted this to be fire. Like, I was so excited about this video. I really was. I mean, I guess I still am. I don't know. I'm just feeling like very indifferent at this point, because 2 down, like, yo, I could have dealt with the 1 down. That one wasn't even my fault, dead ass, because the class came off. That was not my fault. I could have easily fixed it, and then boom, all of them came off of the freaking string, and I could have just like, oh, I don't know. Maybe I can redo this myself. I don't know. I've never done anything like this. I do not know how to do this kind of stuff, and it won't be exactly how she made it. So I don't yet know what I'm going to do. I'm in my feelings, but it is what it is. I'm about to go, since my baby's up, I'm about to clean this up. I'm about to go eat some leftover Chinese food and probably smoke a joint. Catch you next time. Hope you guys are having a better night than me. I really do. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching my video. I wish it was longer. I wish it was nicer. Maybe I will do, like, I definitely think I will. Okay, I'm deciding right now. I'm gonna do another video when I can fit into my waist beads. Don't know when that will be, but give me some time. Be patient with me. Love me. I love you guys, all right? I'm human. It is what it is. Clearly, I make mistakes, but we bounce back, okay? It's gonna be fine. I might call Alicia and ask her what to do. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, stick around, be my friend, subscribe, give me a like, comment down below. Tell me, comment down below your reaction to me freaking breaking 2 of my waist beads, like, and blowing my whole shit. Like, let me know how you felt, because devastated. But for real, have a good night. Love you guys. Bye.